السلام عليكم يا أيها الطلاب. Yes, salams to all the students and friends. This is the first video about the writing and the reading of the Arabic letters and words. So let's start first with the concept of writing. In Arabic, we write from the right to the left, okay? So unlike English, as we know, we write from the left to the right. So that's English, right? But in the Arabic language, we actually write from the right side to the left side. Okay, is that clear? Sometimes in Arabic, we also start, like in English, certain letters, we start from top to bottom, okay? So we also write from top to bottom, and occasionally we actually reverse that process in Arabic, and we will write from bottom to top. And then finally, we might also occasionally write from the left to the right, but then we return and continue to the right. Okay, so I hope that is clear. Okay, right. So now let's look at some letters that are written from top to bottom, right? So the first one being the alif, okay? The alif, we write from top to bottom. Let's do that again, alif. So let's write another one, alif. And then we also write the laam from top to bottom, laam. Okay. Now, if we look at these two letters, then we can see, first of all, the alif is just a straight line down. Okay. Alif is just straight from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3. The laam is also from top to bottom, but ends with a curl from the right to the left. Okay. Now let's have a look at these two letters again. As we said, the alif is a straight line from top to bottom. And in order to give it a sound, we use short strokes. So the top stroke will give it the sound. Okay. So once again, alif, straight line down like a 1, or maybe a small letter, a capital I in English, straight down from top to bottom, and the stroke on top gives it the sound. Okay, if we do it again, alif, and we put the stroke at the bottom, then that's the E sound, right? So the first one is and the second one is E. First one again, second one will be E. The third short sound, vowel sound in Arabic is the U sound. And that is a small, let's do that again. The E, the U is a small, uh, hook on top of the alif. Let's do it again. The U. So if we read these letters and their sounds, then once again, first one would be A. First one, A. The second one, I. And the third one would be U. Okay, is that clear? Let's look at them again. First one, A. The second one, I. And the third one is the U. Okay. Now the second letter we looked at is the L, right? The L, and as I said, it starts like the alif down and then curls to the left. Let's make another L and a third one. Okay. Now to give the L a sound, once again a stroke on top gives the A sound, so that would be La. A stroke at the bottom gives the E sound, so that would be Li. And a circular hook on top of the L will give you Lu. So once again, first one, La, right? First one, La. Second one, Li. And the third one, Lu. Lu. Is that clear? Now, if we combine the first letter, the A, and the second letter, the L, and we put the A sound on the first one, then we get Al. Al. We can also put a little sukoon on the L to show that that is just the L sound, so that is Al. In some Qur'ans, it's written like that. In most books, the sukoon will be a full circle, right? A circle. So in both cases, that would be Al. 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 Now we can see that the L looks similar to the L in English, isn't it? If you say look and like, then we just have a mirror image in Arabic, and that's the L. There's it again. Okay, so remember that's the Arabic l. It's a mirror image of the English l. Right. Now, finally, for this lesson, the word al uh, means the. The. Okay. So it sounds like al, al. So once again, it's the with the the short stroke on top that gives the sound, followed by the l with the sukoon, and that gives us the word al, which means the. Okay, so we know a lot of words in Arabic already, isn't it? Like Hajj, you know. So if you want to say the Hajj, well, we sometimes say Haji, but the word is Hajj. So to say the Hajj, you will say Al Hajj. Another common word that everybody knows is Imam, the Imam, the leader at the mosque. So to say the Imam, you simply say Al Imam, right? And that is how you will continue. And in all cases, the word al will be connected to the next word. So it will not be written as a separate word. The al will always be connected to the next word in Arabic. Shukran. Wassalam.